Hi friends, today I am going to organize my sticker collection with you. I have ordered this little, or actually not that little, there's a lot of pages in here, but I ordered this sticker book from AliExpress. I was looking around on other websites and on like Amazon and to see if I could DIY something, and I just could not for the life of me find something that I really liked or that fit the kind of system idea that I had. I currently have a lot of stickers and loose things in these type of IKEA boxes, and that is fine for some stuff, but I don't want to have them in there all the time because it's really hard to see what I have, and I just don't like the system. So what I did is I went to Muji and I picked up these little divider sheets that I can use to stick between these double-sided sticky paper, like what do you call this, like sticker backing sheet, something like that. It's basically like the semi glossy paper that is on the back of a sticker sheet. So I have a bunch of those in here. I have no idea if I'm going to use them all, but we'll see. Probably not. And then I also have this little B6 zipper bag. I don't know if I want to cut holes into it so I can have it like here if I just stick it on the back, because I'm not planning on taking this one with me anywhere. I'm just going to leave it at the desk. The first problem we're running into with this setup is that the index pages that I bought from Muji, they don't want to come out and like this, they don't line up with the, like, they don't line up. They don't line up with the holes of the first ones line up, but then the bottoms don't. So I'm just gonna cut through these holes to make them a little bit bigger, because these fit, these look fine, but then so just this entire thing can go. This one needs a little bit more room. And this one looks like it needs a little bit more room. Something like that. So I'm gonna cut that out and see if it works. Okay, looks like this will fit really good. Great. That looks nice. I think that looks fine. So I'm going to cut up the rest of them and I'll see you in a bit. So I cut everything up. It's not perfect. They look a little jagged, but it is fine. It is what it is. They fit. That's what matters the most. So I'm going to stick this one in at the front, and then, because the first category, I'm going to use these to first of all protect the stickers that are in there so they don't immediately touch like the plastic or something, but also to make categories. And I don't exactly know what categories I want to do just yet. I'm going to make like a cutie little cover for it, and I'm also going to put like stickers or whatever I want on the front cover. But what I'm going to do for now is the category I know that I want to have for sure is girls, like little doll stickers, etc. I have so many of those because they are one of my favorite stickers to use. I feel like they just add a lot of personality and I think it looks cute. So I'm just going to turn on some music for you while I organize my stickers. Feel free to watch along, plan along, organize along, whatever you want to do. So yeah, let's go. leave it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I do want to continue to decorate this little cover, and I do think I am going to do a little tour of my sticker book at some point if you guys are interested to see that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. If you want to, feel free to like and subscribe the video. It really helps me out. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, friends!